Wagwan people, you don't know it's a boy Kamani Brown, and today, getting right into it, we're speaking about mirroring or airplaying your iPhone from your phone to the TV. So many of y'all might be wondering what the hell this beat up old box is. There is a story behind this, people, I promise. It gets juicy. But this is actually a Lightning to HDMI dongle. Now, before we get into that, there's only two ways to mirror your iPhone to the TV. There is the free way, which is if your TV, like a Roku TV for example, that supports the AirPlay feature, you can actually go in the phone, pull on the settings, touch mirror, and it just happens like magic. Of course, you have to do the little settings, right? However, the other way, which is not the free way, is to get one of these if your TV doesn't quite support it natively. So let's see what's in this beat up old box. And funny enough, guys, I got this from Amazon by accident because I actually ordered one of those Lightning to SD card readers second hand or certified refurbished. You guys saw me do the video on that some time ago, and I got this instead. I asked them what the hell. They actually refunded me, and I ordered the Lightning to SD card reader. So that's about it, people. Nothing too crazy. So that's enough of that box. And this is it, people. The Lightning to HDMI. And of course, there is a port there for extra power if needed. Not sure if you ever do because I never need extra power. But this is the other method, people. Of course, I'll leave a link to this in the description below. But let's see how both methods work. Starting with the free way. Alright, people. Here we have my TCL Roku TV. And I'm going to go through the free way to get your iPhone to mirror to your TV. Now, all I really and truly need to do, here's the trusty remote here. You go to settings. You go right down to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. You press that. Then of course you turn on AirPlay, and that's pretty much it. Next, you go to your phone. Usually it's right here already in your settings. These two boxes right here, that's the mirror screen mirroring function. There it is, 49-inch TCL Roku TV. You press that and you're good to go. There it is, and you can pretty much do every and anything as you would on your phone. Now, as you can see, it is in portrait mode at the moment. However, for certain apps, like for example YouTube, let's check out from our boy Linus and the fam. Guys, ads suck. Alright,
are you a filmmaker or
but as you can see, it's in landscape mode, right? But I'm controlling it from the phone, so I'll just simply skip the ad, and the video is playing like normal. So it stops playing here because I have the controls, and there it is, working perfectly on screen. However, if I simply come out of the app completely, it still continues to play for a second or two. Then you back out into the main menu, and you can't do anything really. You could go in Google, for example, go in the clock, everything is there like normal. So this is the free way, people. This only works literally because my TV has the AirPlay function. Not all TVs have this function. So I'm just being perfectly straight up with you, people. The only universal way to get it to work on any TV whatsoever, regardless if they support AirPlay or not, is to use the dongle that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So we're actually going to run a demo of that next, showing how it functions on my Hisense U8G, which is an Android TV. It does not natively support Apple AirPlay. So let's see how that works. Alright, people, and here we have my Hisense U8G Android TV. Now, because it is an Android operating system, it doesn't really have a native Apple AirPlay software baked in. So that's where this comes in, this dongle that I showed you at the very beginning of the video. With this dongle, you can turn any TV, once it has a HDMI port, into pretty much a smart TV by simply connecting your iPhone to it. Here we go. Bam. And then you run an HDMI cable from your HDMI port on your TV, and then you plug it into this. Bam. Let me unlock this for a second. Next part of the process is simply to press input right here on the remote. We go down to the HDMI port that is connected to, and bam. Simple as pie, works perfectly. As a matter of fact, you have almost instantaneous response. There is no real lag. I mean, the Apple AirPlay version works flawlessly as well, but there is a slight delay every now and then because, of course, that is wireless and Wi-Fi. But with this direct connection, let's continue this video here. Here we go, it's working perfectly fine. You see these cute frogs.
You have a great website.
Now, it takes a split second or two if you realize to get 100% clear. I don't know if that has to do with the dongle itself or the cable, the quality of the cable, I don't know. These sound effects are hilarious. But anyway, let's pause that. So as you guys can see, this thing works perfectly fine. Just like with the AirPlay, when you swipe out of YouTube, it takes a second or two to come back out. But aside from that, it's all here. I mean, let's go into a regular app like Apple Music. I mean, it's the same portrait mode. You know, so go into my Instagram. You guys can follow me if you want. This is all working one-to-one pretty much with minimal delay. So of course, I'll leave a link to this in the description below. As I said, this is literally the only universal way to get your iPhone to mirror to the TV. There really is no other way. You have a few apps out there, but they're pretty much unreliable and more of a headache to use. This dongle isn't really expensive. I got this one second hand. As you guys heard at the beginning of the video, I actually got this for free pretty much. But it's not expensive. Check it out in the description below if you guys are interested. And of course, you don't know how it goes already, people. Thanks for tuning in. You don't know, I appreciate a like, subscribe, and of course, hitting that little notification bell so you know when the next video is out. See you in the next one, people. Peace out and take care.